I don't like to use glue on my wigs. Oh, it's clueless. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if it's your first time joining me, then welcome to my channel. I'm Yolanda Kumalo, also known as Tushy. So today we are doing a hair review from LUVME Hair. They actually sponsored this video for today. They sent me this package about a week ago, and I must say I'm very impressed with the packaging. I always am, as this is my second time working with LUVME Hair. So the package comes with goodies, and this is one of them. It's just a bag with a mirror, a small portable mirror, and I love this mirror so much because I can take it anywhere, put it in my handbag, and I didn't have one of those, so that came pretty much handy for me. It also comes with a satin-like looking, I think this is a headband. I'm not quite sure yet, but I'm pretty sure that it has something to do with the hair. And then it also has a pamphlet which just has information about LUVME. Looking at the unit, this is the unit. As I've said, it's a kinky 20-inch curled. You can see the curls are pretty small, and small curls are kinky curls, guys, just in case you didn't know. Yeah, and this is just how the wig looks, and it also has a undetectable lace. As you can see, when I put it against my hand, you cannot see where the lace is. Where is the lace? Anyways, it is a 13x4 lace frontal. Like I said, undetectable. It also has a band, which is going to come very handy because this is also a no glue installation, and those combs as well inside that wig cap are going to come handy because we need to make sure that the wig is nice and secured while we don't put the glue when we install. So right now I'm just combing out the hair just to show you guys what it looks like when it's at its natural state or after washing it. And I also just want to show you guys a trick on how to actually define your curls again, to redefine your curls. So this is how the wig looks, and I'm just going to go in with plain clean water. A lot of people use water with conditioner. Some people use water with oils. I just use plain clean water, and I will just sprinkle it right all over, right through. And this is just to make sure that it is wet enough so that when I do comb it, the curls just redefine back to its normal state again. You guys are going to see what I'm talking about. You see, now I'm combing the hair and I'm using a big brush. I am going to put it right here so that you guys can have an idea of what brush I'm using. And you see that the curls are going back to its natural state, redefining, and now they just look a bit more alive than when they had just arrived from the package. So up next, I'm just going to use my Curlala from Jackie's range. This is just to obviously bring in the moisture. Please do use a generous amount here. Too much is actually good. And also this is to make sure that your curls are properly defined and they last the whole day. It sort of like freezes your curls and also gives that shine and also makes your hair smell really good. Smells like grape type of thing. It really smells good, so I would highly recommend that you get that for your curls. As you can see, I'm just detangling the hair with my fingers while I put on the Jackie. And then now I'm just putting on the wig, and this was the part that actually impressed me the most because as I was putting on this wig, I could not see where the lace was. Where is the lace, guys? Where is it? I can't see it. Where's the lace? I was pretty impressed with this part because I could also see that this lace is undetectable. You cannot see. As you can see, when I put that lace on my forehead, it literally disappears. It looks like there is nothing there. Where is the lace, guys? Where is the lace? So right now I'm just going to try and get the hair out of the way because I do want to cut my lace to fit my ear from one to the other. Please be careful here, guys, because you could possibly make a mistake and cut it too further away. Make sure that you put on your wig properly, right? And make sure that you can see where it ends and where your ear starts before you actually make the cut. Yeah, so now I'm just cutting the wig, as you guys can see, cutting my lace front to fit my forehead from ear to ear. Now that we're done, I want to then use my blade to cut off the excess lace that you can see there in front. And I will be looking down on the mirror. I'm looking down because there's a mirror down there that I'm actually looking at. I'm trying to make sure that I don't overcut my lace and I cut my hair as well, because that will be a big problem. So just be careful here. Make sure that you take your time in cutting your lace. Okay, now that I'm done cutting my lace, I just want to readjust my wig so that, as you can see on my left hand side, there is a bit of lace that's flowing there, and I need to make sure that is tight onto my skin. So I readjusted my wig to fit me properly by adjusting the band. Now I'm just doing a middle part. You guys know I'm very comfortable with the middle part. This is all I ever do, middle parts. I truly really do believe and love a middle part, and I think it also suits me too. Otherwise, you can obviously do a side part or any part that you want, because this is a ear to ear lace front. At this point, I'm super impressed, because where is the lace? I haven't even put on the glue. I haven't even done anything. As you can see, when I push the hair back, it does get up a bit. No glue installation. I'm very impressed, and this is so easy. Now I'm just going to go in with my foundation there in the middle part that I did. Here I'm just trying to achieve a natural looking look so that my middle part actually matches with the complexion of my skin and the foundation that I used on that day. This is obviously just to, like I said, achieve like a natural looking part, sort of make it look like it's your hair. Then again, going it with the curlala, just a little bit of touch-ups at this point, and that little bit of shine. Look at the difference it makes there. Ah, stunning. These curls are to die for. Anyways, guys, if you are interested in purchasing these hair, please do check out the description box. I will have the link to LUVME's website. Look at these curls. Look at those curls. Look at the hair color as well. The black is to die for. The curls to die for. This hair is giving black girl, melanin. It's giving you are ready for date night with your friends or your man. It is giving all of the good vibes. Truly, honestly love this hair, and the fact that it is so easy to put on. It could also be your everyday wig, honestly. Let me just show you guys. Stunning. I just want to give you guys a 360-degree view so that you guys can see how proper these curls are. Ah, this is great quality.